今仔就是平安夜咯，耶诞老人嘛准备好要出发到全球各地送礼物。今年包括咱台湾在内，伊嘛收到超过50万张的配价愿望哦。另外，特当伫芬兰的北极圈、拉普兰的耶诞村，这季节游客拢是叉。那么，做伙来感受当地季节的气氛。
耶诞老人准备要对北极圈拉普兰出发，小精灵大概是无用试叉。今仔的礼物有乐高茶角啊，也有电子产品，阁有拉布布红啊。
This is also done. Only one thing left. Santa's jacket. Yes. Let's go.
日头爱到中昼11点才会出来，不过这完全袂去影响到耶诞老人甲小精灵平安夜送礼物的最后的准备工课。
We have been polishing Rudolph's nose, of course. That's one thing you have to do for Christmas.
就算会当寄电子批甲 AI 斗3工，不过耶诞老人也是传统怪，较爱手写字的批。尤其每一年耶诞节，会当收到超过50万张的批甲愿望，有时每一天会当收到3万张以上。寄上济就是波兰、意大利、台湾甲日本。
I think mostly they have been quite good almost all the time, and that's enough.
当地旅游局统计，每一年有超过70万人来拜访罗瓦涅米甲耶诞老人见面，享受这安静和平的耶诞气氛。
Absolutely magical. It's just once you're here, you're in Father Christmas land.
甲这批信读了，礼物贴无好势。耶诞老人发布伊的耶诞信息，伊讲希望咱大家拢会记得，咱拢是生活伫共一个世界，一个共同的家园。
Everything is ready.
Just in time.
Outstanding work again. And one more thing. Have a very, very happy Christmas.
公司新闻黄运玲编译。